Welcome to day 8 of my Flutter learning journey. Aaj hum banayenge ek simple lottery app jisme use hoga stateful widget, and we'll learn how to build and update states in Flutter. Sabse pehla, hum start kareng stateless widget se. Return kareng material app right pointing arrow home set hoga scaffold, our body k and our hum use kareng safe area for padding and safety. A flat safe area k and our add kareng column widget. Jisme hung children widgets like text, acid images. Ya jo bui ka part hai. Uski bod samjenge variables kya hote hain. Variables basically data store karne ke liye use hote hain, our inky types hote hain like int, string, bool. Isco test karne ke liye op Chrome browser me Dart pad open karo. It's a playground to learn Dart, jo Flutter ka language hai. A flat hum floating action button b use kareng. Jab user as button pay click care, x plus plus ho j, means number increment, our hum print, x. 2 string, kareng. Now let's move to the most important part, stateful widget. Apna widget rename karo my app, our ab hum build. Method k through UI update kareng jab b state change ho. App bar add karo with title, lottery app. Body me use karo column with main axis alignment. Center our cross axis alignment. Center, talk UI screen k center me properly aligned ho. Yahan pay random number ya winning message show karwa sakti ho based on logic. In next part, we'll add full functionality and random logic. Don't forget to save and run your app. Thanks for watching.